Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to withdraw USDT from DSJ to any exchanger wallet. Withdrawing your money is where everything becomes real. It's also where people make the most mistakes, wrong address, wrong network, or unexpected fees. So you need to move carefully and understand every step before confirming anything. Open the DSJ Exchange app and log into your account. Then navigate to Assets. This is where your funds are stored and allows deposits, transfers, and withdrawals. Next, tap on Withdrawal. Important note, if you haven't set a withdrawal address yet, you'll need to bind one first. Here, you'll be prompted to choose a chain type and enter your wallet address. Your wallet must match the same network, so make sure of that. Confirm and save the address. Go back to Withdrawal and input the amount of USDT you want to send. Important fee warning. They charge a 12% withdrawal fee, so make sure you're aware before confirming. After entering the address, network, and amount, click Confirm. An alternative would be to transfer within the platform. If you're moving funds internally, click Transfer. Fill in the source account, the destination account, the currency, which is USDT, and the amount. Then click Confirm. This option exists for internal movement and is not the same as external withdrawal. So, that's the complete withdrawal process. To summarize, withdrawing USDT from DSJ Exchange involves going to Assets, selecting Withdrawal, binding your wallet address, choosing the correct network, entering the amount, and confirming the transaction. You can also transfer funds internally using the transfer option. And that's how to withdraw USDT from DSJ Exchange. This is the most important step because it determines whether you can actually access your money. Take your time, double check everything, and never rush withdrawals. And most importantly, stay alert. High fees and complicated withdrawal steps are always something to question. If something doesn't feel right, pause and reassess. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.